I can do a quick demo. It'll be quick. Shit. You see that? So we added the ability to like do basic Excel style date math. So if you add 1 to a date, you get the next day. And then we've made it so that if it's like a month and you add a day to it, like you're still seeing the month, but under the hood it's actually 1202. Or 120, yeah, 1202. No, Jesus, I don't know. Math is confusing. Oh yeah, this is the first of the month, so then you add 1 is 1202. So yeah, you can use this with raw fields or any of the like Omni date functions to like add whatever, some number of days to a date. And then there's like, this is just a fix, which is like, it had been that we were, for comparisons, using the underlying raw value of the field, which doesn't necessarily match up with what is displayed here. So like under the hood, this is actually 2017 1201. So you would have had to use that here in order for the equality to work. But now you can use the thing that you see here to test equality, and then you see that that works. These things are out. And then one thing that's I'm wrapping up now, which we can hopefully get out soon, is being able to use dates in functions that require numbers. So you're basically just taking the numeric value of this, which is like I'm just doing the epoch right now. And so then you can do things like this, which is like take the slope of like this column as the input and that, and then get, some number out.
This is amazing. I
And
just can't emphasize enough how much like doing this really hard kind of crazy-ish stuff is huge for users. Like I continue to be blown away at how much people are just picking up completely normal spreadsheet behavior and just bringing it into the app. And every single time we buff out one of these little things so that like you can compare to a month as the day or the month or whatever, and it's just all logical and works. Like it's amazing the stuff that people are doing with this. It's like and these things are what really makes it work. So awesome.